Hello, we hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to subscribe for free, like, ring the bell and comment. More details about these at the end. Bonfire Night 2022. What it's all about. The teddy bears had a great time at their local organised charity bonfire party this year. All their friends came round to their house first, and they all went together, wearing their high-vis jackets so that they would be safely seen when they were walking along the pavement. James, who is still only a very young bear, couldn't understand what it was all about, although he loved all the lights and fireworks and food involved. "Why do we have Bonfire Night?" he asked Scary. "Nowhere else in the world does." "Well," Scary replied, "it's a typically British celebration. It all goes back a very long way, well over 400 years in British history." "Wow," said James. "That's an awfully long time ago." "Yes, it is," agreed Scary, "but it marks the failure of the Gunpowder plot on November the 5th, 1605, when a group of evil conspirators planned to blow up Parliament and kill King James I. There were 13 bad people involved, one of whom was called Guy Fawkes. "Oh, I've heard of him," said James. "That's the name of the figure that is burnt on top of every bonfire." "Well done," said Scary. "He is the most famous of the conspirators, as he was the one caught in the cellar below the House of Lords with 36 barrels of gunpowder, ready to light the fuse to blow them all up. All the others were caught later and put in prison. So we're celebrating that they were stopped, as it would have changed the course of British history. The fireworks represent the explosives that were only just found in time to prevent a catastrophe. Even nowadays, on the night of the 5th of November, Parliamentary Guards carry out a ceremonial search in the cellars of the Houses of Parliament. "Isn't there a rhyme about it?" asked Vicky. "Yes, there is," replied Scary. "Do you remember it?" "Yes," Vicky said. "Remember, remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. We see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot." "So don't forget what it's all about," instructed Scary. "But let's make sure we enjoy the celebrations." So that's what they did. They watched the huge bonfire being lit with Guy Fawkes on top of it. They had each been given sparklers to light to create their own mini firework display. They ate lots of yummy food: jacket potatoes, hot soup, sausages, treacle toffee, toffee apples and parkin. Then they stood and watched a wonderful firework display with lots of bright colours and noisy bangs. Eventually they wandered home and fell straight into their beds, very, very tired and very, very full. Maybe you can get to visit an organised Bonfire Night party this year, or even have a small celebration at home in your garden. Whichever, have a great time, but don't forget the reason why we celebrate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for free and our videos will appear on your YouTube homepage, making them easier for you to find. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button. Ringing the bell means you'll be notified about our new videos. Please also leave a comment. Comments and ideas help us to improve.